Hello, this is Denis Cherevichnik, a historian and knife maker. Today I would like to show you one of my latest knives. This is so-called Navaja knife, my version of a traditional Spanish Albacete knife, or a folding knife from Albacete region in Spain. Mostly it looks like a typical traditional Spanish Navaja, but it's a wee bit different. First of all, as you can see, it's equipped with a more usual and more modern back lock, because mostly these Navajas has a long back spring made from one piece of steel, and with a head that you have to pull back with your fingers to release the blade and to close the knife. And the second advantage of this knife is a very unusual but still typical for Spain option known as Carraca, or simply a ratcheting mechanism. So let's try to open it and listen to these sounds. So here we are, 5 clicks. Why do I use this ratcheting system? Yes, it's fancy and sounds good. It's a quite traditional, but that's not a main reason. First of all, it's incredibly safe. It's one of the best existing safety systems for the folding knives, because let's try to fold it. Let's push it and then see the first stage, the second one, then the third one, the fourth one, and only then we can finally close the knives. What does it mean? It means that it never will close on your fingers. This is the better safety type. And every level of the safety level is incredibly reliable. Otherwise, this blade is made from quite traditional low alloy carbon steel and hardened to approximately 6061 Rockwell. Here you can see my maker's marks. In a Sheffield style, my favorite design. This is 4 millimeters, the thickness of the blade. As you can see, it's hand sanding to 1,500 grits. The spine is hand polished too. The spring is made from the same steel as well. The bolster is made from titanium. Here you can see stainless steel rivets, what is quite traditional for these knives. So the scales are from German artificial ivory known as Elforyn. Here you can see 925 genuine silver Spanish coins, replicas of course, on production with the Queen Isabel II of Spain. Stainless steel screws. It's a pretty small knife to my taste. But it's more comfortable for everyday use as EDC knife. You can find this knife and many others on my website NAVAJA.EU. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you soon. Bye.